Hello friends, and today I'm going to answer a question that I'm often asked. It is how to cite a chapter or a section of an edited book. And we're going to look at how to do that in the Harvard style for your reference or your works cited list. Now you'll have all the core information already, it's just about taking it and putting it in the correct order. So what we're looking for is the authorship, so a surname followed by an initial, the year of publication, and then we look at the title of the chapter or the section and we put that in single quotation marks. Following that we have the surname and the initial of the particular editor, and you can see we demonstrate that that is an edited book by using the abbreviation ED within brackets. Following that we put the title of the book in italics and then the place of publication and the publisher. We can then look to put in the page reference. So I've given you a worked example now that you can use to base your own reference on for your reference list. And when it comes to making an in-text citation, we refer to the author and then in brackets the year of publication and the page number. And that's how you go about citing a chapter or a section of your edited books. If you would like a template to copy and paste into your work, check out the description below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, drop us a comment and push the like button as well whilst you're there.